So let's talk about Glacier. It's a new tool from LINKSPREED that might just change how we build the web.
But why is building the future of the web so incredibly hard? What's really holding things up? Well, it really all comes down to technical complexity. It just bogs creators down and stifles real progress.
And that's where Glacier comes in. It's designed to open up Web4 creation for, well, everyone.
The core idea here is something called vibe coding. And yeah, it's a totally new way to think about software.
So instead of writing code, you just describe the vibe. Then Glacier's AI actually builds it for you.
LINKSPREED CEO says developers are no longer just translators for machines. Now, they're straight-up creators. Okay, so how does this actually work? Under the hood, it's all built on something called universal identity. And this is a huge jump, right? Way past Web 2's data silos and even beyond Web 3's wallet addresses.
So what does this mean for you? Apps where you actually own your data, with security baked in from the start.
Okay, so what exactly is Glacier doing for creators? What's all the heavy lifting it handles? It automates the front end, the back end, and the database. You know, the three biggest headaches in development.
And this combination of AI with decentralized tech, well, that's pretty much the definition of the new Web 4.
This project has been in the works for years, and get this, it's set to launch to the public next week.
So LINKSPREED thinks this is the start of a whole new thing. They're calling it the era of the vibe coder.
Which really makes you wonder, right? Is just having a vibe about to become the new way to code?